If you need to disable your research task pane in Microsoft Excel, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to get about it, so let's go. So if you select a cell and you're holding in Alt on your keyboard, you'll see on the right hand side you get the research pane. So what you want to do maybe is disable this, and you want to go into, if you have developer over here at the top, you're going to look for Visual Basic. If you haven't got the developer tab on your ribbon, you can just go and hold in Alt and F11 and it will take you to this Visual Basics for applications. So once you're in here, you're going to go to View from the panel at the top, and you're going to look for Immediate Window. And in Immediate Window, you're going to go ahead and paste in this. So it's application.command bars, open bracket, quotation marks, research quotation, close bracket, space, enable, space equals, space, false. And you're going to go ahead and hit enter. This should now take effect, and you can check this by just closing this window again and clicking, and that research pane will not appear on the right hand side.